Welcome to Ship Explorer. Imagine boarding a ship, believing it to be unsinkable, only to face one of the most infamous disasters in maritime history. The Titanic is often remembered for its tragedy, but what lessons did we learn from that fateful night? Today, we'll explore the key reasons ships sank and how we've improved since the Titanic's time. Titanic, a snapshot of history. In April 1912, the RMS Titanic set sail on its maiden voyage, hailed as the largest and most luxurious ship ever built. But 4 days later, disaster struck when it collided with an iceberg. More than 1,500 people lost their lives, and the world watched in disbelief. But how could this happen? Wasn't the Titanic unsinkable? As it turns out, the reasons behind the sinking were not so simple. Common causes of ships sinking past and present. To understand why the Titanic and other ships sink, let's dive into the most common causes of these maritime disasters: collisions. Just like the Titanic, collisions are one of the most frequent causes of ship sinkings. Whether it's icebergs, other ships, or underwater rocks, the damage to a ship's hull can be catastrophic. Poor design and structural flaws. Even the most well-designed ships have flaws. The Titanic's bulkheads, for instance, were not watertight to the top, allowing water to flood adjacent compartments. Modern ship designs have learned from this flaw by incorporating better safety features. Fires on board ships can be just as deadly as water. The Titanic itself had a fire in its coal bunker even before setting sail. Today, fires still pose a threat if not quickly contained. Weather conditions. Rough seas, hurricanes, and other extreme weather events can cause ships to capsize or take on water. Modern navigation tools help us better predict and avoid these dangers, but nature is still unpredictable. Mechanical failures. Engine failures or malfunctions in vital equipment can leave ships stranded, vulnerable to sinking. In the Titanic's case, the ship's lack of lifeboats added to the catastrophe. Lessons from the Titanic's tragedy. So, what did we learn from the Titanic? One of the biggest lessons was the importance of safety regulations and proper planning. After the Titanic sank, maritime laws changed significantly. Lifeboats for all. The Titanic didn't have enough lifeboats for all passengers. Today, ships are required to have sufficient lifeboats, ensuring that every passenger has a spot in case of an emergency. Iceberg Patrol. After the Titanic's collision, the International Ice Patrol was created to monitor the movement of icebergs in the Atlantic. This has drastically reduced the number of ships colliding with icebergs. Better ship design. Modern ships are designed with watertight compartments and better safety features, helping to prevent the same type of flooding that doomed the Titanic. Why do ships still sink? Despite all the advancements, ships still sink today. Why? Human error, unpredictable weather, mechanical issues. These factors are always present. But with every disaster, new lessons emerge, helping to improve safety measures. From the Costa Concordia to modern-day oil tankers, these lessons remind us that while ships have come a long way since the Titanic, the ocean will always be a force to reckon with. The Titanic was a wake-up call, reminding us that no ship is truly unsinkable. But every tragedy teaches us something new, and today's ships are safer because of it. With that said, thanks for watching Ship Explorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of ships and the sea. Until next time, keep exploring and stay safe on the water.